everyone. Today I would like to introduce to you the Global Motorcycle Diagnostic Scanner, which is the new version of Motoscan Tab 2.0. This is the most advanced product in the current segment. The product is positioned for large, professional repair workshops, and skilled and well-trained workers, serious and healthy work, and towards a civilized society. Motoscan Tab 2.0 is also a trend of choice in motorbike repair workshops in Vietnam and developed countries around the world. Yes, owning a Motoscan Tab 2.0 at your motorbike repair shop is a symbol of affirming the financial potential of a large repair workshop, pioneering in technology, being professional in the tools, updating future trends of the future, and foresight of an enterprise. Motoscan Tab 2.0 is a modern multimedia tool of the future, and gradually replaces most other monotonous, conventional hand tools of the old generation. Now, I would like to introduce you about this toolkit. Many of person buy the devices without paying attention to the information from the cover box, which DTD Auto has done meticulously and in detail. Really, just this cover box basically says it all. Today, I introduce to you the Motoscan Tab 2.0 product starting from the outer box. I will explain to you the meaning of the function icons printed on this box. So, it's also convenient to add that this Motoscan Tab product, everything including the packaging, the cover box has been registered for patent and copyright, the form of the design, the brand identity, trademark, and protected by law. Someone should make their own, don't copy like our products. I will detail an explanation of the product name, and the description is here for you. Motoscan Tab, Professional Diagnostic Scanner, for PGM, FI scooters and motorcycles. I would like to interpret these lines. Moto means motorbike or motorcycle. Scan means fault scanner and diagnostic machine. Tab is an acronym for the word tablet. Combined into the name of the product, Motoscan Tab means motorbike diagnostic scanner, made on the tablet. Now, I will introduce each function icon printed on the cover box for you. This icon has a picture of an engine and the words engine below means function for engine. This function is used to identify faults and do everything about the engine system. This function is used to read, clear, reset the memory of OBD fault codes, display live engine data, activate actuators, program and remap source code inside ECM. This icon has a picture of a brake assembly, with the word ABS inside, and the words ABS below means function for the anti-lock braking system. This function is used to identify faults, and do everything about the electronic system that helps the car to prevent wheel locking when braking. This function is used to read, clear, reset OBD fault codes, display live parameter data, activate actuators, calibrate inside ECU. This icon looks a key shape, and the words smart key below mean function for smart key system. This function is used to identify errors and do everything about the smart key system programming. This function is used for intensive programming, repair and all user needs for smart keys. This icon has a figure of an analog meter, and the text odometer below means function for the odometer indicator system. This function is used to check, calibrate true value, repair, and recover original data on a digital speedometer display. This icon looks like an integrated electronic control unit (ECU), and the words ECU tester below mean function for component malfunction checking inside the ECU and more sensors actuators. This is a high-end function used to quickly identify faults in ECU components, including hardware and software, in just a few seconds, and provide detailed repair suggestions. This function is only supported on the professional Motoscan 7 series, and the high-end Motoscan Tab series, currently on the market. This icon looks like the image of an electrical signal pulse, and the words signal simulator below mean simulation function for all electrical output, input, and communication ECU signals. This is also an advanced function for simulating, segmenting, and diagnosing quickly errors of electronic control systems on vehicles for well-trained professional technicians. This function is also only supported on the professional Motoscan 7 series and the high-end Motoscan Tab series, currently on the market. This icon is a combination of two letters T and E, and an inscription below, tuning ECU, or ECU tuner, means function for ECU calibration by remapping the source code inside the ECU to change the parameters of the control math formula inside the ECU according to the user's private wishes. This is also a function used to fine-tune the vehicle's electronic control parameters, and for only trained users by professional recommendations. This symbol is a combination of two letters, A and I, and an inscription underneath, artificial intelligence, means support an advanced fault diagnosis function by applying artificial intelligence. This is a high-class function supported in the Motoscan series only. This function can automatically analyze the collected data, find common vehicle malfunction, such as the inferential thinking of a technical expert, and at the same time combine with Motoscan as a robot direct interviewing with real workers, practical to give diagnostic results, without the need for the vehicle's OBD system to issue a fault code. This icon is a picture of an electrical meter and a text underneath. Electric meter mean dedicated measuring function. This is a premium function supported in the Motoscan series only. This function is used to accurately measure the ratio of the mixture of air and fuel into the engine, A/F ratio. Measure the quality and capacity of the battery and the generator. Especially, it has the function of measuring accurate VDC voltage, like an analog meter, and a signal that changes slowly over time, in the form of a characteristic graph, for professional workers to analyze the quality of all kinds of sensors and electrical signals. The next version of this function will measure the power and efficiency of the engine for the professional technician to optimize the engine. This icon is a gear shape, and the letter I inside information. Below it has the word lookup tech data, means function to look up technical information. This is a multimedia function, with a large online database, big data, that is continuously updated in sync with the fault diagnosis process of the mechanic. This function automatically activates at the right times to provide additional object-oriented technical information that the worker is interested in, such as fault code reading behavior, decision hesitation. This function also is used to look up standard electrical wiring diagrams of motorcycle manufacturers, standard specifications, reliability of motorcycles. Look up and analyze OBD fault codes, wire colors, acronyms, system dissection diagrams, programming procedures, and especially assist workers in the automatic calculation of electronic engineering applications in the repair and equivalent replacement of spare parts. This icon is a community image, with many people inside a line of text. Below is the Workshop Manager, which means function for repair workshop management. This is a very important function for a large repair workshop integrated into the Moto data software. This function is like a beautiful and hard-working accountant who helps the repair workshop to manage inventory of supplies, equipment, goods, customers, personnel, maintenance, statistics, quick lookup, revenue, expenditure, inventory, profit on the daily, monthly, annually, and store, print, lookup customer invoices every day. Above is an overview introduce picture that I want to tell you this new Motoscan Tab 2.0 product has great functions. This is a DTD Auto Vietnam Co., Ltd. copyright product. End of Part 1. Introduction video about Motoscan Tab 2.0. Please watch the next video Part 2.